Children, now the task is you have to tell me a sentence using don't. Okay? So I will tell you a word. Based on this word, you have to tell me a sentence using don't. Okay? For example, take. I don't take a pen. Like this. Okay? Yes.
I don't take book.
I don't take a book.
I don't take pencil.
I don't take pencil. Yes.
I don't take India map.
I don't take India map. Good.
I don't take pen.
Pen.
Yes.
Yes.
I don't sharpener.
Sharpener. Right.
I don't take box.
I don't take box.
I don't take. I don't take bag.
Wait.
I don't take bag.
Bag.
I don't take TV.
Yes.
I don't take pencil.
I-
take a phone.
Yes.
I don't take mango.
Mango. Right.
I don't take pencil.
Yes. Yes.
I don't take
Ball.
I don't take box.
Good.
I
Duster. Yes.
don't take eraser.
Eraser.
I don't take ticket.
Cricket.
Not sir.
Do you take cricket? No. Cricket ball.
Ticket.
I don't take cricket ball. Right. Yes. Yes. Next word is eat. Yes.
I eat a mango.
Mango. I eat a mango.
I eat a fruit.
I eat a fruit.
Vegetables.
I eat
Vegetables.
vegetables.
Eat a pineapple.
I eat a pineapple.
I
Right.
eat a
Goa.
I eat a parota.
Right.
I eat a pineapple.
Pineapple. Yes.
I eat
Yes. Yourself.
a dragon fruit.
Right.
I eat a biryani.
Biryani. Yes. I eat biryani, not
I
veg.
eat a papaya.
Yes.
I eat a
One by one. One by one.
I eat a food.
I eat food. Okay.
I eat fried rice.
Okay, it's all right. I am asking you
I eat
using don't. I don't eat food. I don't eat. I don't eat food. I don't eat mango.
I don't eat mango. I don't eat
Gobi rice. Yes.
eat
Apple. Good.
don't eat vegetables.
I don't eat vegetables. Right.
I don't eat banana.
I don't eat banana.
I don't eat pineapple. I don't eat fried rice.
I don't eat fried rice. Yes.
I don't eat biryani.
Biryani. Good.
I don't eat pineapple.
Pineapple.
I don't eat dum biryani.
Yes.
I don't eat watermelon.
Watermelon. Good.
I don't eat apple.
Apple.
I don't eat kiwi.
Kiwi.
I don't eat strawberry.
Right.
I don't eat carrot.
I don't eat
I
carrot.
don't eat onion.
Onion. Good.
I don't eat brinjal.
Yes.
I don't eat tomato.
Yes. I don't eat. I don't eat banana. Yes. Okay.
I don't eat dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit.
Don't eat panaskari.
Jackfruit. Panaskaya is called jackfruit. Okay. Now tell me. I don't eat
I don't eat jackfruit.
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 Right. Yes. Okay. It's enough. Claps. Very good.